today's video is sponsored by Aldan American Racing Suspension. Now I finally found a company that wanted to support me and the Stan Sam on our little drift build here. So today's video they sent out an awesome package with all the suspension for the Firebird included. We're talking adjustable shocks for the rear and fully adjustable coilovers on the front with adjustable shocks and everything. So in today's video I'm going to review the Aldan American suspension products that they sent out, and then I'm also going to show you guys how to install this on your factory Firebird and Camaro. It is really easy and you're gonna get a whole different car to drive. Let's just jump straight into the video and install the suspension on the Stan Sam. First we got a nice stiff coil spring right here. I went with softer version of the springs they had, as I'm still gonna use this car kind of for street driving and stuff, but they do also have a stiffer one if necessary. And then we of course also have the coilover itself, which is by the way really light. Then you have your adjustable shock down here where you have 6 settings. So when you order your suspension, you get this nice box with the suspension in. So that's of course your hardware for your rear shocks, the mounting point for them. Then you have your wrench right here to adjust your coilovers. So of course you also get a user manual so you can see what the hell you're doing. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Then you have your adjustable screw up here for your shock. Just a really nice looking billet aluminum piece. So when you remove your upper ball joint, you're gonna have your lower A-arm on the ground, and if you have your old original suspension on, you're of course gonna have your coil spring, which you're gonna have to remove by using a jack or something safe so the spring doesn't explode all over the place. Now the easiest thing to do now is, if you have the stock arms, is to just put in the coilover arm. But in my case, as I'm running some custom SPC arms, I'm gonna have to install a coilover mount plate on the bottom of the arm. So before installing the spring on the coilovers, the shock itself, you're gonna need to install the leash right here. Basically this bearing right here gonna make it easier to turn the spanner knot to adjust the spring and ride height. So now you're gonna have your coilover and your spring. Now the spring has a small pocket and then also a big surface on here. The big part is the one that goes up into your frame where you have the spring pocket. So you're gonna remember to locate that also before dropping the car on the ground so you don't destroy the frame. So basically you just want your spring to be located up here in the spring pocket is by getting this spanner nut down here on the coilover loose, and then you can basically turn it up and adjust the ride height. So right now we're just gonna adjust it all the way up. So when you're done installing your coilover, then you can get back to installing your spindles, your tie rods, your A-arms, your ball joints and whatever. So we're gonna get it up here. Get this through. So when you're done installing the last bolts on the bottom of the A-arm, you want to torque them down to 35 foot-pounds, and then you're basically ready to drop down the suspension, if you will, and put wheels on. So don't forget, if you guys want to follow Aldan American Suspension, then check out the medias right here on the screen and go give them a follow. you got a perfect 1-finger gap. Now guys, don't forget, if you guys want some Aldan American suspension too, then go and check out their website. From everything from muscle cars to late model, hot rod, street rod and race cars. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, then don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. I want to say a huge thank you to Aldan American for sponsoring today's video. They came out with some awesome products and sent out to me also these cool shirts, stickers and everything. So they really hooked up the Stand Sam to, you know, look cool. So a huge shout out to Aldan American for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check them out and grab some suspension for your own cars, then don't forget to check aldanamerican.com out down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching.